We're standing in the mill. The mill is a makerspace in McCarty Hall. What we have here is a bunch of 3D printers and a bunch of other equipment. Our healthcare providers are running out of personal protective equipment. The face shield, it's a shield to keep particulates from getting on you, so it protects the provider. We were approached by UW Med to help print PPE. We started printing face shields. It's almost like squeezing a tube of toothpaste out. And so that's basically how the 3D printing process works.
Just received some of these to test out. These are an ingenious idea. It's incredibly impressive that somebody came up with this to allow us to be able to do our jobs a little bit better. It's absolutely fantastic.
But this is real life work, and that's what's so awesome, is to see this equipment that's so often used for fun, used for something that can really help in an effort that we're all trying to kind of understand how to manage.